just a quick note before we start the episode. The reason I have been absent for a few weeks here is because I got the flu really badly and was unable to muster the energy or even the ability to speak. So I apologize for that. Episodes will be back to normal starting this week. So without further ado, let's jump into the episode. Welcome to Cypher's Lab. This is the Unstable 112 modpack, episode 36. So, before we get started with the draconic capacitor thingy, I just want to quickly set this to export into here. I need my remote. There it is. Just going to quickly set this up for the dimlets. I kind of sort of spaced and forgot to do it last episode. Yay! There we go. I should be able to just cram that in there. We need the binder doodaddy as well. And instead, so normally I would use a filter and a servo, right? Servo to pull it out, and the filter to, say, only put in X amount. I'm going to try using the retrieval, though. Right? And then I can tell it to... Okay. Like that. And of course right now it has nowhere to go, so let's fly up here, land, and bind it to the mechanical user. And then, if I can ever get over there, come on. Come on. There we go. So it should just be keeping a stack in there. Very nice. Too bad there's no way to speed it up a bit, but... I think a transfer node would actually be faster for that. And yes, it's just going to keep dinging. I mean, I could just do that for now. But okay, so that works. We'll just throw those in here for now. Put the tools away. Tools away. We'll grab this out. Okay, so for our energy core that we're going to be making, the energy capacitor, what do we need? We need an energy core, and then 36 energy core stabilizers. Okay, so let's start with that. Energy core. Energy core and energy core stabilizers. Core. Make. Go. Okay, so one core. And then 36 of these. Yeah, how about that? Dum 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 dum. Okay, so that's vanilla one, good. And from there, it's just that. Yeah, it's a little bit lazy, but... whatever. I already got the infrastructure to do this, so why should I work harder? 36. I don't have a recipe for redstone blocks? No. Alright. Let's add a recipe for redstone blocks, I guess. That surprises me. I thought they were required for one of the
other draconic things for the... is it awakened? No, awakened blocks don't require it. Yeah, I guess it's not required for... Huh. Okay. Oh, I was probably thinking of the lower tier cores require blocks. Redstone. Nerd. Whoa. Let's try that again. Click there, N for G. Good. We need... was it 36? You know what? This is going to be easier. There we go. 36. Give her. Boom, 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 boom. I'm pretty sure I can cancel that. Ay caramba. That was quick. Okay, so we got those. What else are we going to need? So core, that we're going to need 786 draconium blocks. Blocks, draconium, 786. Start. Right. 786. And then we need 378 of the awakened. Whatever. I'm not mathing today. Mathing is too hard. Can't think of mathing. So, I also shut down the Draconium Age for now. Oops, I don't want that. Because as you can see, I got a fair amount already from it. So I was like, you know what? I think we're good for now. I still have the dimension thing, so I can always go back, but I just took it out and stuck it in here for now. No sense on powering a dimension that I'm not really using. Okay, so I think that's all we need, right? Nope, nope, nope. Not at all. We need something else here. Boom, boom. Yeah, it doesn't really work very well without the energy pylons. Oh, it makes two. Never mind. That's... Okay, so we're going to head down here. And as you can see, I kind of dug out a large hole. I think it's large enough, but I didn't really check. I just kind of dug it out, which is also why it's just kind of awkwardly, you know, not really measured out or anything. It's just kind of slapped in here. Oh, and there's still lots of little caves and tunnels full of stuff. I might actually try to go around and light some of the stuff up later, but maybe seal off some of it as well. So, step one here, I think, is going to be trying to find the center of this thing. Do we have a... We do have a tape measure. I haven't made one of those yet? No? Let's make a tape measure then. We need one of those. One of these. So 22, so technically no center. Darn you, even numbers. So what I'll do... There we go. So now we should be 23. So I don't know if I showed it off camera or not, or on camera. I showed it off camera, probably. I got rid of the fire generators that were here. They were just so noisy. So I swapped it out. Since we have enough dragon eggs to pretty much do whatever we want, I just figured, there we go. I mean, right now we're, what, a few thousand? Yeah, 7,500. Probably good for power. Maybe. Okay, so we're at 23. So, that would be what? 22 would be 11. So, on the 12th block. What? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on that block. Okay, so that should be center that way. I'm pretty sure it's not even going to be remotely close this way. 23. Wow. Okay. That surprises me a little bit, but... Okay, we'll be right back. Welcome back. So, I don't know what caused the crash. It was a conflict between blocks, but I don't know what mod was doing it. I don't know. I restarted and it seems to be working now. So I finished the measurements across, and believe it or not, the cobblestone I placed down was dead center. Both sides were 12 in, so yeah, perfect. So what I've done is I pillared up 6 blocks, and if I can find the energy core, I will place this up top, because the sphere that we're going to be making is, was it 7 out? No, that's not right. 13, yeah, 7 out. 7 out. I should have gone up one more. Good job. Okay, let's try that again. Let's just throw out some of this stuff. Keep the cobble. Building material. Okay, so if we do that. There we go. Right? I think that's right. So if we come up here, we right click, we can go, oops, up tier, up, and up. And then builder's guide. Yeah, okay, that's what I was looking for. So that's going to be what we're building. A giant sphere. And just do a quick check, make sure we don't have any more of these conjured lights in the way. We look good. Awesome. Alright, so now comes the long and tedious part. I'm going to quickly change this though. Flight modifier. Trying to control this thing with any kind of precision. Okay, there we go. So now I should be okay to just kind of do that. And then there I can come out too. I'm just kind of building sort of a perimeter, I guess you could say. Since it's really annoying to try to work with this blocks coming and going thing. I wish you could just like lock it layer by layer. Make things a little bit easier. At least it does this to tell you, hey, you got the wrong block there. This game hates me. Okay. We're gonna switch this depth 0 and a wee dig is a 1 by 1. Oh, wait, did I see Silk Touch? Okay. Can I turn it back on? Yeah. Okay, that's pretty cool. I didn't know that before. So I can just enable and disable the whatever enchantment I put on at will. I'm glad I put Silk Touch on it now. Okay, so that's what we're doing. So I'm just gonna speed this up so you don't have to sit here watching me place a bunch of purple blocks inside of purple blocks. Okay. Draconium done. On to the Awakened. Alrighty, there we go. I think we got all the awakened on too. You having fun there? Okay. I don't see any purple, so I'm going to assume we got it right. Okay, so now for this part, we need... I think I can put these like right next to it. But I'm going to come out 2 on each side. I'm just going to quickly put these here. I think 2 will be okay. I just want to make sure I have the room on the sides. Yeah. Okay. So we'll come out 2. And then... It's really annoying trying to place these. Yay! And last one. I really need to do something about the Enderman being everywhere. Okay. So if we come here, advanced stabilizers required, core is valid, stabilizers are good, activate. Boom. So the only thing we need is some pylons now for power to go in and out. How do I want to go about that? So I can't just put these any old place. They have to be within a certain range of this thing. I'm thinking... For now, I just want to charge this, right? Because to activate the draconium wow, I am so sorry. To activate the draconium reactor, we need a very large amount of power, right? Like, not this thing full, but, you know, a few million RF. So I think that's what I want to do, is just pump a bunch of power into this, but I still want to be able to get power to the base as well. Or the... yeah. So, if I was to chisel out here, so I can actually... Is this... I don't think that's close enough. But... Oh, no, I didn't want to take this up. Okay, that's okay. I can put it back. So if I ran the pylon down here, right, and put it here, and then I could put another one, say, here, right? Yeah, that should be okay. I need some glass first. Glass. And put that up on like that. And we want this one to be... So I think... okay, so I think this one puts in to the core, and that one pulls out of the core. I think. we will have to test this in a moment. So I need the cryotubes. Do I have any? Yes. And what we can do is we can connect to that. So we see power. We see power flowing in. Excellent. And then if we connect that like that, we'll see an infinite loop because it's just going to feed the power out. Darn it. What can we do about that? We can... Okay, so this is the power coming out of the reactor. Right. And then... So I think... if we just take that out, right, and just connect like that, right, and then I can just move this connector here. And stick it here. Sure. That'll work. There we go. So, now power should be going into these, filling these, and then flowing out into here, down into our giant orb, which is slowly filling. That is a ridiculous amount of power. Just saying. How much do we got in there right now? 730 million? It's more than I thought we would get this quick, but okay. And then from there, it should be able to flow out and then up this line and out to the machines that require it. So I think for now we're good on that. I'm going to let it charge up a bit more before we even think, well, think about it. We can think about it all we want, but before we attempt the reactor. So we'll call it an episode here. As always, I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.